And this is a beautiful car, guys. This is the Fusion, and this is the issue, guys. It has horrible, stained, uncomfortable cloth seats. Look at that. Ew. Welcome, guys. And what you're seeing today is the Deluxe Kit on black for the 2015 Ford Fusion, and this is the SE trim level, guys. And this will fit the 2013 to 2016, the SE Hybrid, the Titanium, and the S Fusions, guys. Now, one thing that you need to know, guys, this is not your cheap sliding cover that you just toss on top of your upholstery. No, guys, this is upholstery work, and in this case is the Deluxe Kit on black, guys, with black stitching, no perforations. And this is the factory design for this vehicle when it comes to black. And guys, what you're gonna get is the two front buckets, and you're gonna get your headrest right there, and you're also gonna have your armrest. This is for the armrest in the center. And if that's the case, you're gonna get also door panels, guys, to cover your door panels. Most places won't get you the panels, but we include the covers for it. If you decide to go and do the panels, you don't have to. You just want leather seats, but there it is in case you want it. And again, you're gonna have also the rear seat, guys, and you have the split lean back, which is a 40/60 with the armrest right there, and you have your one-piece cushion. And again, guys, this is upholstery work. This is not a cheap sliding covers, because, guys, this is built exactly the way that the dealer intended to be. This is the airbag right here. The reinforcements are built into the shell. In this particular case, you're gonna have your map pockets, guys. And you need to know, guys, when you go and buy your cars in the dealer that are not available in leather, normally they're in cloth. This is what you get later on. It's called the leather upgrade, and they will mark it up for you twice or sometimes even 3 times more than what you will pay with us. So we can save you hundreds of dollars if you just decide to do this from yourself, instead of allowing the dealer to charge you thousands more for the same thing. So this is the level of quality in these kits, guys. This is not a cheap stuff, and I know it looks like crap, but you have to wait until I finish this installation, because we want to install this product so you can see the before and after pictures, guys. Because you want leather, guys. You want this in your vehicle, go to LeatherTeck.com, buy emupholsterytechnology.com, so you can order a factory match just like this one, a custom design. We have over 60 different colors and endless combinations, guys. Contrast stitch, piping, special editions, custom patterns like diamonds, double diamonds, hex, double hex, honeycomb, and many, many others. Exotic materials like ostrich, alligator, soy skin, you name them. We carry all at LeatherTeck.com by emupholsterytechnology.com. Like and subscribe, guys, so you can see more transformations, techniques, and how we do the installations for your beautiful leather seats at LeatherTeck.com by emupholsterytechnology.com, guys, because we are demystifying the installation process. It's not that difficult. We show you how it's done, or we give you technical support over the phone, so you are not just let alone if you decide to get hands-on. If not, guys, you can take this to our recommended local installers, so you can get this done professionally. We doesn't stop there, guys. You want to take it to the next level? Cooling and heating features, guys. 3 levels of cooling, 3 levels of heating, so you always cozy in your ride. Because some people will say, yo, I don't put leather because I'm gonna be too cold in the winter or too hot on summer. No. We have temperature control features, so you always cozy in your ride. This is our top of the level product. Please inquire about it, guys. And if you are in a budget, guys, and your car didn't came with the heaters, at least get seat heaters so you can be cozy in your ride in the winter and you are not shivering, guys. Wanna save hundreds of dollars, guys? Go to LeatherTeck.com and fill up that form so you can save hundreds of dollars in your next order. And these savings, guys, are only exclusively for the people in that list, because for legal reasons we cannot even publish those prices, guys. We want to help you to save also hundreds of dollars in your next order. Go to LeatherTeck.com and fill up that form, guys. And wait for me so I can complete this installation for this kit so you can see how beautiful it's gonna get. And again, guys, everything is there, so it's just like factory specifications. You're gonna have everything. Like I say, this is upholstery work, guys. What I mean is every single thing that is right here is exactly as the dealer intended or the dealer designed it. It has to be trimmed into the frame. All these little things right here, guys, goes attached into the frame. So this is not something you just throw on top. This has to be hack ring or clipped into the frame, and that's for the cushions, the lean backs. Every single piece in this kit is this upholstery kit. This is not your cheap sliding cover, guys. Just keep that in mind. And I appreciate you. Please make an inquiry. Put it in the comments. What do you like me to show you next? And what do you think about this installation once you see the before and after? You think that is decent? You think that is not that decent? You think that is great? Let me know what you think, guys, in the comments once you see the before and after, so you can appreciate the level of quality in our leather kits. LeatherTeck.com by emupholsterytechnology.com, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And guys, it is completed. The 2015 Ford Fusion SE. Nothing compared to what you saw this morning on the workbench, right, guys? Beautiful finish. LeatherTeck.com by emupholsterytechnology.com, guys, because you want leather. Get rid of the ugly, stinky, uncomfortable cloth seats. Just beautiful, guys. You want it. LeatherTeck.com by emupholsterytechnology.com, guys.